Hi everybody, it's Cindy from Ideas Times 2, and I'm really excited because today we have our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I was going to draw yesterday, but then decided that since we have so many subscribers from around the world, in order to make sure everybody had an equal chance, I needed to wait till this morning. And it is dark, really dark today. Looking outside the window, it does not look like it's 10 o'clock in the morning, but it is, and almost 10:30 actually. And come on, open back up. There we go. So this is going to be just real short and quick. A reminder for those of you who entered, there were 3 criteria. First, you needed to be a subscriber. Second, to give us a thumbs up. And then third, give us a comment. And I asked you to tell me what your favorite themes for junk journals were. And a lot of us have similar tastes. A lot of botanicals and Edith Holden and you know, forest and plants and things, and I have such a hard time picking, so I appreciate everybody else's ideas, because I like to know what other people are interested in, because I can never just pick one thing. This weekend, I've been working on Wizard of Oz journals for our Etsy shop, and when I'm done with that, I'll probably be doing some art journals and maybe some Monet themes or Van Gogh, and I've got to do some Christmas journals too, because it's, you know, the middle of October. And so thank you so much, everybody, for your fantastic comments, your kind words, your encouragement. We really, really appreciate it. And so a reminder, we are giving away a fully loaded large lap book. The lap book measures 8.5 by 11 by 2. It flips open to be well over 4 feet in length, and every pocket is full of something. So it's a nice heavy book full of lots of things for you to use, things for that are already made. This giveaway was open to all of our subscribers, and does not matter where you live. I will try to get it in the mail either Monday or Tuesday this coming week. So you can see I've already loaded the URL and put in a filter for duplicate users, even though I was really careful. I didn't respond to anybody, and I apologize kind of for that, but I obviously didn't want my name to be in the drawing 107 times. So so I already got the comments. We have 104 comments, and I'm going to hit start and see what we come up with. Who's going to, oh, excuse me, Lizzie, I can't see. Our winner is Love, Wisdom, Grace. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you. This is such a, I just love this project so much. I had fun making it, and was really excited because Betsy got to help me make it. She was here visiting, and got to do a little bit as well. So please comment. Well, not comment. Please send us a private message, or contact us through Etsy, I think would be the best bet, so I can get your address. Thank you so much, everybody who entered. Thank you so much for your kind and thoughtful comments. We just love you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.